Alright, YouTube subscribers, my name is Ray Sean, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm back with another video of my 42-inch appliance white Emerson Pro Series 2 ceiling fan dated March of 2020. Now, what's going on is that, as I was telling you guys in my other videos of this ceiling fan, is that I got this ceiling fan from the lighting gallery. So that's where I got this ceiling fan from. Now, I did a video of the Emerson Pro Series 2 ceiling fan in white at the lighting gallery back in 2016. And I did a video of another one that was in brushed steel back in 2016. So I'm about to go on to tell the features about this fan. The features about this fan is that it has 5 reversible blades from white to bleached oak. And it is 3 speeds and is electrically reversible, as I showed you guys on my other video of this Emerson Pro Series 2 ceiling fan. And as you can see on the switch housing, it has an Emerson logo on it. I gotta find it somewhere. It says Emerson right here. So other than that, I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan, starting off with low. Now it really does sound like it have a loud bearing noise to it, but that's actually the pull chain rubbing up against the motor. Other than that, if I pull the pull chain and stuff, you can actually see that it runs quiet. But other than that, it runs quiet and stuff, and it's putting out a little breeze on low. As I can feel it right here. So other than that, I'm about to go on and put it on medium. So I really don't have a whole lot to say about this fan. That's why I was standing here silent the whole time and stuff. Probably because I just about covered everything about this fan up. And then I also forgot to mention that the ceiling fan can be down rod mounted, or it can be flush mounted. Close mounted, excuse me. But the reason why I have it close mounted because I'm floor testing this ceiling fan. So that's why I have it close mounted. So other than that, this is just about medium. And I'm about to go on and put it on high speed. Now the air noise is not really loud and stuff. Oh, I was about to say, I hope that pull chain don't snatch out and stuff. That's what I was about to say. But the pull chain fell in between the blade covers and the switch housing, and the pull chain wrapped around the motor or the motor shaft and stuff. So the pull chain not gonna get snatched out. Hopefully, it's not gonna get snatched out. But I'm about to go in and pull this thing out because I don't want to take a chance. But I really should put some tape on this switch cap to keep the pull chain from falling inside the motor and stuff. Oh snap! Well, as you can see, some of this part broke off anyway. Other than that, I'm about to go on and turn it off. So other than that, this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.